Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at a rugged, handcrafted leather band designed specifically for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 47mm. If you've been searching for a premium strap that blends durability, style, and vintage charm, this one is worth your attention. Let's dive straight in. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the leather. This isn't synthetic or overly processed material. It's premium top-grain leather, and that shows immediately. The strap has a naturally rugged character, the kind that feels like it will only look better the more you wear it. The hand-burnished edges add a sense of depth and craftsmanship you don't typically see in mass-produced bands. As soon as you hold it, you can tell it's built for longevity. The design draws heavy inspiration from classic field and tool watches. That means a wider, structured body and a dual-row stitching pattern that runs the length of the strap. It's bold in the right ways, giving your Galaxy Watch Ultra a strong, traditional look rather than the modern sporty feel that most silicone bands provide. The reinforced ends complete the rugged aesthetic, making the watch feel more like a durable analog timepiece than a piece of tech. When it comes to fit, the band is designed for wrists from about 6.2 to 8.9 inches, which means it accommodates a wide range of sizes. The leather does start out a little firm, which is normal for genuine material like this, but over time it molds to your wrist and becomes more comfortable with each wear. The tang buckle, made from stainless steel, feels solid and dependable. It clicks into place with a satisfying firmness that gives confidence the watch won't come loose. Pairing it with the Galaxy Watch Ultra is straightforward. The connectors slide into the watch body smoothly, and the fit is perfectly aligned for the Ultra's unique size and dimensions. Once attached, the watch instantly takes on a vintage outdoor look. If you're someone who wants to wear your smartwatch to the office, on weekend trips, or even on light outdoor adventures, this strap easily fits all those contexts without feeling out of place. One of the subtle strengths of this band is its ability to blend rugged durability with a clean, classic presentation. The retro walnut finish in particular has a warm, earthy tone that pairs well with both casual and more formal outfits. For those who prefer something darker and more understated, the classic black option keeps things simple and elegant. Durability is clearly part of the intention behind the design. The stitching is tight, the leather is thick without being bulky, and the metal components are stainless steel, meaning they'll resist corrosion in everyday wear. Whether you're typing, driving, traveling, or moving around throughout the day, the band feels secure and balanced on the wrist. Overall, this handcrafted strap brings a lot to the table. It elevates the look of the Galaxy Watch Ultra while staying true to the kind of toughness the watch stands for. It's not meant to be flashy or overly decorative. Instead, it embraces a vintage, functional style that many users will appreciate. If you want a band that matures with time, offers a comfortable long-term fit, and gives your smartwatch a more refined identity, this one delivers exactly that. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more in-depth reviews of accessories, gadgets, and everyday tech, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.